Well, Shelby County ranks third in the country in new HIV infection rates. And earlier this year, the state of Tennessee announced it would no longer be accepting CDC funds to help with HIV testing and treatment. Shelby County Mayor Lee Harris called this move disastrous for the community and could potentially harm one of the areas with the worst risks of HIV in the country. Our Stephen Reels joins us live from out Memphis. Stephen, we understand that some of the services there could be in jeopardy.
Yeah, Pepper, I'm at one of their clinics right now where they don't just test for HIV, but they connect people with resources in case they do test positive. I'm about to test in just a minute, but all of this could be at risk, which is why Out Memphis is trying to be part of the solution.
The fact that this funding is being cut is going to be devastating to the community.
Community leaders coming together today after the state of Tennessee chose to refuse $9 million from the CDC in HIV treatment.
Our organization did receive a letter from the state terminating our relationship May 31st. That letter came to us yesterday.
Out Memphis Executive Director Molly Quinn says the organization will be losing around $140,000 they were counting on to pay for HIV testers, treatment, and care. Friends for Life is another group being affected. They say this decision could cause them to lose $1.5 million in funding. So together with other community-based organizations, they have formed the HIV Equity Coalition.
We've come together to try to figure out ways to work around this. And if we can work around the state, that's what we'll do.
In order to do this, the coalition is asking for the CDC to donate to different organizations who would then pass it along to places like Out Memphis.
We encouraged the CDC to go through United Way of Nashville to be able to just continue that relationship with all the CBOs that they were working with. Dr. Taylor with the county has said, they would be willing to facilitate those funds.
So Out Memphis holds these clinics 3 times a week. Like I said, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get tested. I'm with Janiyah right now, who's going to be performing the test live on air. They're just sterilizing my finger right now to make sure it is good and ready to go. A little massage to get the blood flowing. And as you can see, not a big needle, just a concealed thing that they're just going to prick my finger with right now. Barely felt a thing. Not too much blood, so if you don't like needles, it's pretty good to try that out. Now they're just dabbing it up so they can test it. And believe it or not, it can be over in just 20 minutes or so. I'll give you potentially the results later, but for now, at Out Memphis, I'm Stephen Reels.